You can win your case if you're being sued by a debt collector if you focus on making that debt collector prove the amount that they claim you owe. See, people get emotional and they get mixed up and they start focusing on what they're claiming with how you use the money, what they're claiming with the statements, what they're showing with the affidavits, what they're showing with all of that stuff. And that stuff is important because you don't just disregard that either. But bottom line, what it always comes down to is that the amount that a debt collector claims you owe, there is really no way for them to prove it other than bringing in the accounting service or whoever does it for the company who they purchased the debt from. There's no other way. So stay focused on making them prove the amount they claim you owe.